In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert bullet points in Google Sheets using a keyboard shortcut and a formula. Whether you're organizing a to-do list or creating a clear outline, bullet points can make your data more digestible and visually appealing. So, let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening a Google Sheet. Simply navigate to Google Sheets in your web browser and either open an existing file or create a new one. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, choose a cell where you'd like your bullet point to appear. You can do this by just clicking on the cell to select it. Let's talk about the first way to insert a bullet point, using copy and paste. For this method, start by searching for a bullet point symbol in Google. Once you find it, highlight the symbol, right-click on it, and select Copy. Then, head back to your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you'd like the bullet to appear, say C3, and right-click to paste it. Finally, hit the Enter key to confirm the entry in your selected cell. Now, let's move to the second method, using a keyboard shortcut. This technique is a real time saver. Click on a different cell, for example, C5. Then, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and while holding it, press the number 7. And just like magic, you should see a bullet point in the cell. Don't forget to hit the Enter key to finalize your entry. This shortcut is particularly handy if you're working on a Windows operating system. Finally, let's explore the third way, using a formula. This method comes in handy when the other methods aren't accessible or convenient. Click on another cell, such as C7, and type in the formula, AUCAR 8226. This formula uses the char function to insert the specific character code for a bullet point. Press Enter, and you'll see the bullet manifest in your selected cell. Now, if you want to customize your bullet points further, there's an additional formatting trick. Click on cell C9. At the top menu, click on Format, and then select Number, followed by Custom Number Format. In the dialog box, paste a bullet symbol followed by an @ sign, then click on Apply. This step allows you to format cells so that anything you type automatically comes with a bullet point prefix. Type anything you'd like in cell C9, and you'll see it's prefixed with a bullet point. And there you have it. These are the 3 simple techniques to add bullet points to your Google Sheets using both a keyboard shortcut and a formula.